Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today I'm going to be filming a Primark haul. This is a very autumnal winter Primark haul, hence I've done some autumnal, berry makeup. I have my autumnal cushions out, I have a burner going. All I'm going to say is this was the most stressful video to set up for. My ring light kind of broke, which was just great. I couldn't find my tripod. I've been trying to sell it for an hour. So I really hope that this video goes well and that you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. I need a sip of my hot chocolate. So obviously it's autumn and winter, and if you don't know, I have a minor coat addiction. If you've watched any of my videos around this time of year, you will know I buy about 5 coats a year. It's kind of bad, but not really, because I love them. So I went into Primark with the intention of buying one coat that I didn't even buy, and I bought 3 other ones. So this first one is like a teddy bear kind of coat. It's this really nice chocolatey brown colour, and it has golden hardware. It also has a hood, and it's kind of silky, satiny lining. I got this in a extra small, and it has cuffed sleeves. It's kind of like a zip-up hoodie / bomber jacket, but this teddy bear material, which I am absolutely obsessed with. So they had this in grey with black hardware. They also had this one with the gold hardware and the brown. And then they also had the pink with the silver hardware, which of course I had to get. They also have a little bit of an elasticated bottom, and then if you want to, you can cinch the hood in, which I really love these. I've already worn them both and I'm obsessed. They're so cozy, but they're not too excessively warm because they're not furry on the inside, which I love. And I believe these were both £20 each, which I think is quite affordable for a teddy bear jacket, because teddy bear is very in, and they're just very cozy. If you've already seen my 24-hour vegan challenge, then you would have seen I already wore this. But yeah, I love this, and I wish the grey one was a different colour hardware, because I think just the black hardware kind of ruins it. I think it would have looked so much better if it was rose gold hardware instead of black, but I got 2 of them. I think that's enough. The final coat I actually didn't intend on buying for myself. I tried it on for my sister because she's obsessed with mustard and puffer coats. So I saw this and I was like, I love it, and she loves mustard. I never really tried on mustard because I didn't think it would match my hair. I just thought it wouldn't look very good. But this is the coat. It's a mustard puffer jacket with silver hardware, and it's sort of cropped, and you can cinch it in again. It has these cuffed sleeves, which I love, and it has a puffy neckline. And originally I thought, I'll just try it on for size to see if it would fit her. It is my new favourite coat. And I know I say that every time I buy a coat, but honestly I didn't think the colour would look good, but I actually love it, and I've worn this the most, which I was very shocked about. And again, this was only £20. I got it in an extra small, and they had loads of different colours of this as well. It's a weird material. I'm unsure on how to describe it. It's a matte material, and it kind of feels soft, but it's an odd material. But you have to go and just touch it, feel it, see what it's like. Alright, so now onto the things that are actually in the bag. I apologise if you can see my cat walking around. I don't know where she's gone, but I've just let her into the room. Oh, there she is. The first thing I actually got was this pack of mini tweezers, because all of my tweezers are blunt, or the ends don't touch, which is terrible because that's how you tweeze your brows. So this is a pack of 4 mini ones, and they're all different ends. One of them's bent with a point, one of them's completely flat, one of them's a bit angled, and one of them's just the really tiny ones. And these were only £1.50, and they work alright. I've already used the gold ones. So some of the things I've already worn, or my sister's worn, and taken the tags off. So I'm unsure of the prices of some items, but I will try and figure out and put them on the screen or something. So this first jumper I absolutely love. It's this purple colour, which is kind of it's not my usual kind of colour that I wear, but I got 2 things in this colour because there is a lot of lilac and lavender in Primark at the moment. So I got this jumper. So it's a ribbed kind of material. It's a thin knit jumper, so it's not too thick, so it's a nice autumn transitional piece, or a layering piece. And then it has these stripes obviously down the front, and it also has the same stripes down the sleeves. They have like a vertical / horizontal, depending on which way you look at it, rib also down the sleeve, you can see. And I really like this. I got this in a size extra small, which is a 6 to 8. My cat's like messing around, sorry. Princess. I believe this was like, it was either £6 or £8. It was no more than £8 because I don't think I would have bought it if it was more than £8. I then got a little hat because I buy a hat every year, I'm not going to lie, because I just think they're amazing. But I've never found one that I've actually loved, and I always think hats look weird on me, so I never really wear them. But this year I am like completely blonde, so I thought, you know, I'll try on a hat and see what I think. This was £3, and it's this little pink bobble hat. It's like one of the fuzzy ones that it's like got things coming out of it, and it has 2 bubbles, which I think are absolutely adorable because they kind of look like ears. But if I just put it on, I think this looks really cute, like with my blonde hair. I think the fact, like, I just didn't like hats with my brown hair. I think it just looked really boring on me personally, because it kind of like made me look dead dark, and it just kind of like drowned me out, I don't know. But I think with my blonde hair, the hats look really cute, so yeah. What do you think? I really love it. Like, I think it's really cute. I just have like fur like all over my nose there, so it's kind of itchy. But yeah, I really like it, and I can't wait to for it to get cold so I can actually wear this, because I think it's absolutely adorable. Try and hide my hat hair now. Probably wasn't the best idea to put it on. Oh, I've got fluff everywhere. Woo. And that was £3 if I didn't already say so. So every year I love the basic pieces that Primark has. So of course I had to buy another one. So I love these ones with like the raised neck, and it's ribbed, and it's just long sleeve, and it's really simple. They are £6. I have like a rose blush coloured one, which I wore a lot last year. You may have seen it on my channel. But I thought I would get a black one this year because I don't actually own a black one. I don't know why, but I thought I'd get a black one. Like I said, these are only £6. I get them in an extra small because they are like super stretchy, and they are just great for layering, wearing on its own. They're not too thick, so they're great to, like, just to pair with things, and a good like transitional piece. And they're really affordable, and they last really well. Like, they wash really well. I've still got all of mine from last year and the year before, and they are still in good condition. On the purple theme, again going with that basic like trend, I saw this one, which is a bit different. So it's like a kind of more of a frilly like raw hem top, still ribbed, and then it also has like more of a pattern on the front, if you can see, like it kind of has this bit that goes down. And I just really liked it. Again, I got this in extra small, and this one was £8, and apparently it was seen in Glamour. But yeah, I really like this colour. I thought like it's very different for me. She's a nightmare sometimes. Hi, can you let me film, please? Yeah? Is that okay? She always interrupts my Primark hauls. I've just realised that. It's always Primark hauls that she likes to interrupt. Let me put that down. Come here, you can smell that. Oh, say hello to the people. Right, okay, you're going to sit down nicely. Oh, these aren't mine. These are my mum's. But these are just some like basic pyjamas. I thought they were cute. She thought they were cute, so she bought them. I don't need any more pyjamas until I get rid of my old pyjamas. So currently, you can see her tail. So currently I'm not buying any new pyjamas, but you know, you best believe I will be going back when I clear out my old pyjamas, because Primark pyjamas are just my favourites. Look at this cat. So cute. My camera just left. I think these are the last 3 things. I got some nails, just because you know how much I love Primark nails. They are my favourite. So I wanted to get some like autumnal ones. Oh, I forgot I got these ones. Oh, she's a little nightmare. So I got these Squareletto gloss ones in the shade Mulberry, which I think they actually go really nice with this eye makeup. Are perfect for autumn winter. They're like it says, it's a mulberry colour, like a berry dark colour, which I love. These were £1. I then got these ones, which are the Fright Club Get Your Freak On cat eyes ones, which I'll do close-ups of all of these. But these are like grey nails with little cats on the tips, and some of them have little sequins on to make it look like it's glowing cat eyes, which I think are adorable. And then finally I just got these French ombre ones, which are £1.50. and they're just like a matte French like shimmery ombre kind of style, which I think are amazing, and I love these. I got like the basic French ones and trimmed them down and wore them for a wedding, and they were beautiful and I loved them. So yes, that is the end of my Primark haul. I'm sorry for all the interruptions, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! I'm in love with my eye makeup right now. Like, I think this is really cute. If you want a tutorial, please let me know because I love it. I think this is way too zoomed in, I'm sorry.